Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. Use portrait mode, alright? Here you are recording 2 videos, alright? One is the water, the river you want to use. After recording it now, you still mount your camera again on a tripod. Then you record a video where you walk into the scene and you make a move. You can see what I am doing. It's not must you record your own like mine. You can walk anywhere you want to make your move. Just walk around, alright? After walking around now, then you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. So import your water first. Import it to workspace. Click on it. Go and look for volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on that good and go back. Okay, so at this point we are going to be importing our first video. So you click on overlay, add overlay, then import your first video now. Import your video to workspace, make it to fit the screen. Make it to fit the screen. Okay, then at the end now, you mark out the unwanted part. Click here, make a split, delete the first part. We don't need it again. Click on this one, bring it to the beginning. So at this point, we want to look at where we want this very one to stop. Okay, you know how you recorded your video. This is how I recorded my own, and I don't want the duration to be short. I will click and make a split here, delete this one. Then after deleting it, I will still import the video for the second time. I'm importing the video for the second time now. I will make it to fit the screen again. Then I will look for where I want this one to start from, this second one. But you must not record like me. You can record your video once and do what you want to do. But this is how I just choose to record my own. I will delete this one. I will click it. I will bring it here. Okay. I will align it with this one. Then I will click it and look for where I want this one to stop. Then I will still click and trim. Okay. Or I will cut. Look at what I am doing. Then I will trim. This is where I want this particular one to stop now. I will still import that video for the 3rd time. That is how I want my own. Make it fit the screen. Okay. This is how I want my own. You must not record your own video like me. Take note. So at this point, okay, I will look for where I want this 3rd one to start from. Then I will make a split. I will click it and make a split. I will delete this part. I will still drag it, okay, to come and align with my video. After aligning it, I will look for where I want it to stop. Okay, then I will trim it again. That is all. Then at this point, I will make a cut on this very water now because I felt it's too long. I will delete that last part. I don't need it again. So at this point now, what will be remaining here is to remove volumes. You can see what I am doing. I want to reduce the volumes to 0. I will click it, reduce volume to 0. Click this one, reduce volume to 0. Okay, are you seeing what I am doing? After that, because I don't want noise on this video, I just want only the video to play. Then after that now, I will come to the beginning of the video. We want to apply the magic now. So what we are going to be doing is, you click on this one, go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on auto remover, allow it to remove completely. Let us allow it to remove completely. Wait a page, just a size patient is removing. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you like what we are doing, give us thumbs up. Okay, and locate your notification bell. Click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. All right, you are welcome to the tutorial. We are still on removing BG. Just a size patient, you can see now he has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Okay, you can see yourself now walking on top of the water. Click this one, click on auto removal again, allow it to remove. Okay, now he has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. You go to the 3rd video, click it, click on auto removal, allow it to remove completely. Okay, now he has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So let us play the video now and see what we have got. this video is ready automatically. Look at you walking on top of the water. All right, that is how to make this kind of video where you are walking on top of the water. Look at it. At this point, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, your color, as the case may be, and after that you can now export your video. All right, but you are saying, I don't know how to do that. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. Okay, at the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I will put you through on how to add your effects, and after that you can now export your video. All right, but there is another thing you need to know. Because you used auto remove BG, which is a pro features, if you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. But don't worry, we have got you covered on that as well. In my videos there, I've recorded a video on how to use CapCut Pro Features for free. All right, just go and watch that video, and after that you can come back now and know how to export this your video. All right, then you can now export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.